Hey guys, it's Super Mexican Mia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing Saie PR packaging. So I'm really excited to get into this. This is so exciting. This is their new slip and tint stack, and it includes the tinted moisturizer, the concealer, and their new setting powder. And it also comes with this really cool brush set, which I'm really excited about. It's so dope. I love the packaging, and I picked out this specific the 7, you know, like the color for me. And it's like I wanted more of a sun-kissed kind of like tone, you know, because it is the summer and it do get a little bit darker. Low-key, I forget to put on sunblock, so that's why. And it's a little funny because the pump kind of didn't really want to work, honestly, like at first, and it just kind of shot out of nowhere. But maybe I just got a little I got a bad batch maybe. But the formula is really good, guys. It's super smooth, honestly. So then we are going to go in and put it on our face using the brushes that the package came with, the Saie. I think that's how you pronounce it, Saie. Anyway, so it's really cool because you can also use it as like a little brush holder as well, like not just like a little like that like container for it. And this is the all over powder brush, and it's a pretty big brush, honestly. It's bigger than the ones I'm used to. And this is the double-sided brush. Kind of dope, honestly. I don't really have these anymore, so it was nice. I really love the kabuki one, the kabuki style brush. I always love kabuki brushes, bro, because of the name kabuki. It's just dope, but it's really nice and soft. So we're gonna go in with that brush, and it actually low-key feels like butter, guys. Like, it's so smooth and soft, and like, oh, I love it. I just kind of want to eat it, you know. But this is how it looks like when I apply it on my skin. It's like really nice, honestly. And low-key even coverage, like it's pretty good. I'm usually used to using like just foundation or just pure concealer, but I really like this tinted moisturizer. But yeah, so this is the look. It does look low-key. My sister said I look sun-kissed, so Then we're gonna go in with the concealer, and this is the swatched look. This is the one I got. This is both of them swatched on my arm. So I usually go under the eye, I go on my eyelid, I go on the top of my forehead, like in the middle, in between my nose bridge, like high cheeks and my chin, I believe. And then we're just gonna blend that out with using the double-sided brush. It was pretty nice, honestly, not gonna lie. And then we're going to be setting that with the powder, the new slip tint baked powder, setting powder. And it's like kind of cute, you know. It's translucent, it's raised in the middle. It's not bad. I'm usually used to using what is it, the Laura Mercier one? I forgot what it's called. This is me setting my skin, my makeup, and I'm using the powder brush, the big one. And I low-key like this brush, but I feel like it's really huge for my face, to be honest. But it's like really, like, you know, full coverage vibes. So it's my skin. This is with all the products I use. So I was thinking of what transition I should do, and I was like, I think this is good. So then we're gonna be back. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Alright guys, so we are back, and this is the full makeup done with the Saie tinted moisturizer, concealer, and setting powder, and the brushes. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do we like this look? I'm really excited. This is like a little look I made for hard summer, just like testing out, you know, a look for it. But let me know what you think. I love you guys. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.